Welcome back. This is Living Crafty and Cozy. My name is Audra, and today I'm showing you how I do Nutcracker decor for my son and my daughter's room. And I'm starting with this cute little floor mat that I found from Temu. It was just a few dollars, and I made it into wall art just by hot gluing some shiny ribbon to it, some sparkly ribbon to it. And here I am kind of DIYing her tree. I took a skirt that she had, this beautiful like maroon and pink tulle skirt that she had, and using it as a tree skirt. I'm just kind of bunching it up in the back and fluffing it out, and it looks so pretty with the ornaments and the ribbon that I end up putting on there. I'm fluffing this. It's a little fiber optic tree and white, and I got it last year at Walmart, I think, for $20. And these are the cute little Temu little wood ornaments. You can either use and make a garland out of them, or they have little holes in the top that you can do ornament hooks. I am using them as ornaments on her tree, and it's the Nutcracker ballet. That's what I was going for her room. I wanted to do more pastels and give it more of the ballet theme as opposed to just a Nutcracker theme. And I found this beautiful little hair ribbon. It's just a bow clip for your hair, and I'm using that at the top of the tree as her tree topper. I found it for $3 at this store called Primark, and I've never heard of it before, but when we were visiting my family in North Carolina, I found it and I thought it was so beautiful. And then I'm just finishing the tree off with some of these cute little pink velvet bows and that pink velvet ribbon I got from Dollar Tree this year. And when I was at Walmart, I found this really great large Nutcracker bag, and it was, I want to say, around $5. And I thought that this would be a great piece of art for my daughter's room because we're going more pastels, right? So pinks and light blues and some yellows. And so I cut out this bag. By the way, using bags and box lids, the printed off and decorated bags and box lids for decor is such a cheap and effective way to do your theme decor. It really is. Or just anything that you love. They're making them so pretty that it's just so easy to do. So here I'm just taking this poster board that's like this really beautiful blue sparkly poster board and then hot gluing the bag to the poster board. And next I'm taking this beautiful gold frame. You've probably seen it in a ton of my DIYs before. I use it again and again, and I'm just hot gluing, just a dab of hot glue in the corners for each corner. And I'm just securing it to this beautiful frame, and it really makes some beautiful art all put together. And so for my daughter's wall, I found this thrifted pink sheet. Her room is jungle theme, and I love it. It's colorful. It's wonderful, but it really didn't go with her lighter, more pastel Nutcracker ballet theme. So I'm just hanging this sheet. I wanted it to kind of look like curtains from a ballet or from a play or something like that. So I'm just kind of giving a few dabs of hot glue to secure it to the wall. And I had originally started by hanging the picture there, and I did fix a little bow to it. I started with the picture there and then decided I didn't like it. So I moved the picture over to the tree, and then I didn't take the time to show it DIY, but I took table covers from Dollar Tree to make it look like curtains from a ballet. And then I took all of her beautiful tulle dresses that I had in the same color theme for her room this year and just hung them all so it looks like wardrobe from a play. And then I took little adhesives and just fixed the sides of the skirts up so they look like they're in motion. This is so magical and so beautiful, and I'm just excited whenever I see it. I'll do more to it probably later. I thrifted this great Nutcracker ballet pillow, and I'm just putting some of her stuffies with it in this really old beat-up chair. And this is it. This is kind of like the finishing touches of her room. The beautiful tree that I put her little Rudolph and Clara under. And then her bedding. And I think everything looks great. Moving on, we're moving into my son's room. So for my son's room, we always have to be a little creative in what we use. I try to go for stuff that it doesn't matter if it's going to get broken. My son is on the spectrum, so he does kind of get a little destructive from time to time. So he's doing better this year. I would say he's doing pretty good this year, but we still have some time to go, so we'll see what happens. And I thrifted that cute little Nutcracker made out of clay pots. This tray I got from Dollar General. They have a great selection of Nutcracker. A secondary theme in my son's room is plaid. And so I thrifted this great Tommy Hilfiger plaid throw. It is gorgeous. And then I just threw this old plaid tablecloth cover on his dresser, which is a little beat up. And I just wanted to cover it up and make it look really nice. Again, we're going with some bags and box lids. And Dollar General had these great towel sets. So behind that Santa train picture, I have the plaid towel that goes with that Nutcracker towel. They came 2 in a pack. And this is just how I'm styling his room. I'm just taking things that it doesn't matter if he messes up. It's still going to look great. This is a box lid that I found at Dollar Tree. And I'm putting it on a silver sparkly poster board. And then just putting this cute little star golden shiny garland around it just to give it some extra sparkle and shine. It's very regal and very Nutcrackery. And my kids love it. They totally get the theme and they love it. My son has been spending a lot of time in his room. He doesn't actually still sleep in there, but he does spend a lot of time in the day there now. So I kind of love that for him. I love having the space for them, and I want to just decorate it in ways that's very true to them and what they like. And I think I nailed it this year. So this is just a very inexpensive and cute and fun little way to DIY some art for your kids' room. Make it look fun and festive, and it totally does the trick. I might add some glitter stars to this picture though. Where the white dots are, I might add some touch of glitter. This is me unboxing a 4-foot Dollar Tree Christmas tree this year. And I will just let the audio take over from here. That's not bad. Is that 4 feet? Is that 4 feet? Not as tall as I thought it would be. That's okay. He doesn't need a big trunk. This is good. How cute is this? Not doing much to it either. This is nice. Wow, are you seeing that? Look at how full. Wowza. Bad at all. This is not bad. As you can see, at the beginning I was making faces because they said it's a 4-foot tree. It really is the top piece that's about like a foot long. It's more like 3.5 feet tall. In my opinion, it's not that tall, but it's a great, great buy. Like, I was blown away by the quality, especially given the little $1.25 trees that you can get that are so sparse. This isn't that at all. This is actually really great. And I'm wondering if you could even double it up. I found these great little tinsel toy soldier, Nutcracker pieces of decor at Dollar Tree, and I'm just filling his tree with it along with the rest of that sparkly gold garland. And then I found these great little wooden toys, like all in a bag together at a thrift store. And I'm just filling his tree. There's a lot of like wooden bells. There's the little ride-on horse toys that are ornaments. A lot of like little candy canes and a few angels. And I'm just taking the opportunity to fill his tree in. And it is so cute. And here I am just taking another plaid bow and topping his tree off with the plaid bow right on the kind of shoulder area of that toy soldier. And this is it. This is it. Obviously, you can see my son loves trains, so it's kind of like train, Santa, Nutcracker, plaid. Like, it's just so Ethan, and he loves it. My daughter loves it, and it just brings so much life into that room, and I'm really happy to do this for them. And I don't know, I was just really digging the whole Nutcracker theme this year, and I didn't have a room in my house that it really would fit into, but I'm like, we're gonna figure it out some way. And the part I love about having a boy and a girl is I can do boy and girl themes and kind of get my itch for both out, because I didn't really like one more than another. I'm like, traditional and pastel, they're both adorable. How can I pass it up, you know? But anyways, this is what it looks like, and you can absolutely do a kid's room for very, very cheap. It doesn't take a lot of money. Just use what you have, pull things together from what you already have. Towels, box lids, bags, you know, thrifted decor. Like I said, I thrifted that little toy soldier Nutcracker in the corner there. I already had that garland with the plaid bows on it. So easy. And this is it, a little photo gallery of everything that we did. Thank you so much, my friends, for stopping by to watch. I hope I gave you some great ideas. And I just want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. I'm going to have one more video out. It's going to be my gingerbread, like the big episode. Please stay tuned and watch that. And thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.